What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another Catfish Chronicles. It's raining out here this morning, so I'm up underneath this tree trying to stay dry as I can, but it's coming down decently. I'm hoping that the rain will have these catfish fired up. I got some dough bait, Catfish Charlie, and then I got some hot dogs. We'll get them going. Let's go. This one keeps getting hit. Damn it. This one just got hit too. Okay, we just got these poles out. Maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Make sure they don't steal my hot dog. Doesn't feel like it. I don't know. Alright. Got one. Yes, sir. Just got here. Ain't even been out here for 5 minutes. I was hoping the rain would have them fired up this morning. Looked like it just might. There we go. First fish of the day. He's just a small one. We've already got a bunch of action, so I'm gonna let him go. Hopes that we'll catch some bigger ones. Some more bait on here. Push it on, squeeze it, just like that. I just recast this one and it's already got. Come on. Oh yeah, I got one. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Number 2 already. Back to back. Dang it. Swallowed it again. There we go. There's catfish number 2. He's actually gonna go on the stringer because he got gut hooked pretty bad. And I don't think he's gonna survive. Another one. Turtle. Gotta be. No head shakes or nothing. Yep. Daggone turtle. Oh, good, good. Thank you, thank you. Alright. I just recast this one. Let me get this hot back up. Man, it's hot and heavy this morning already. No. Sea getting wet. Another hot dog going out. Another one. Sir. Number 3. Alright. Number 3, another small one. Let's let them go. Some more bait on here. Man, it's raining hard. But they're biting right now. I can't leave. Already been out here for like 15 minutes. Already caught 3. Had a couple others on and got off. It's hot and heavy out here this morning. Sometimes you gotta endure the weather. You know what I mean? Let's go. Another one. Turtle probably. It's like a damn turtle. Yeah. Dang it. I need my hook back, buddy. I don't got no more trebles with me. That was easy. Thank you, Mr. Turtle. First one of the day. What's up, buddy? Going back in there. Got one. Turtle. Again. Come on. Come on, guys. Leave me alone. Just had to cut him off. He got it down his throat pretty good. Alright, we made a move. The rain stopped, and over there we're starting to get taken over by turtles. The spot is a turtle heavy spot. There's also a bunch of catfish over there, but sometimes the turtles snatch the bait before the catfish can get it. So I moved over here. There's another spot in this lake where there's usually some fish, so moved over here, see if we can find them. That one. Sir, swallowed it again. That's how you know they like it, though. These puppies swallow these things. There you go. Catfish number 4. He'll be going on the stringer because he's got hooked as well. Of course. Whoa. Trying to put this one on the stringer, the last one on the stringer, and this thing almost gets pulled right past my head into the water. First one on a hot dog. Move was beneficial so far. Just moved over here, caught 2 already. About to be 3. Are you kidding me? The other one just got hit too. Let me see if I can get this one on the stringer real quick. Another one. Oh, this one feels bigger. Don't go under there. Yes, sir. Biggest one of the day. Number 6, baby. And he didn't get gut hooked. Look at that. Finally, one don't get gut hooked. Another one. Just recast it back out here. As soon as it hit, this dude took it. Another one. Oops. There we go. Number 7. Let's go, baby. Starting to sprinkle again. I'm gonna stay as long as it doesn't get too bad, but it looks like it's about to pick up. No. I moved over here because it stopped raining and the turtles were over there. Of course it starts raining again. It wasn't supposed to start raining again for another hour and a half. Yeah, it's 9:30. It's supposed to not start raining again until 11. What's going on, weather people? Another one. On the hot dog. Where you at? Whoa, whoa. Yes, sir. It's number 8. Just a little short guy. Hook out. Number 8. Go, baby. It started raining hard. I just got my seat as an umbrella right now. I needed to stop again. It's been doing this off and on since I've been out here. I needed to calm down though, because they're biting right now. Or hey, maybe they're biting because of the rain. I don't know. For my own personal comfort, I would like for it to stop raining. That one, another one. It's a turtle. Please don't be a turtle. It's a turtle, of course. Dang it! I felt it as soon as I set the hook. It's just a dead weight. It's a little guy too. Hey there, buddy. Get this one back out there. There we go. Turtle number 3. Going out of here, buddy. Last piece of bait. Another one. Yes, sir. On the last hot dog. Let's go. Yes, sir. And of course he swallowed it. There we go. It's number 9. Let's go. Last piece of hot dog. Got me a fish. We got one more piece of that wildcat bait on this pole. See if we can finish it with one more. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for today's video. I'm all out of bait here, but I'd say it was a heck of a morning. Came out here and endured the rain for a little while. Caught 9 fish. That's how you do it. Come out here in the rain. I think the rain had them fired up today. It's my first time really fishing in the rain. Kind of a pansy, but yeah, first time fishing in the rain. Caught 9 of them. Not too bad. If I wouldn't have ran out of bait, I'm sure I could have caught some more, but that's how it is sometimes. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.